Hey there, how are you? I just wanted to check in. It's been a while since I've been here, but I just wanted to give you a shout out, let you know we're still going at it, or I'm still going at it. Today I'm just doing some modifications on the valve system. I'm putting that 90-degree right angle brass fitting on here, just so that the connection is a little bit, for me it was a little bit safer having a threaded hose connection as opposed to a pipe clamp. So I'm doing that today. Also, I wanted to go over when you get these things, if you get one, when we go to tighten the hose connection on there, make sure that we use the wrench and we put the torque on this fitting when we're tightening the hose down in line. We put the torque in line with the valve stem, with the stem of this fitting. Not like this, because we could actually snap that brass fitting right off. Let me turn this camera around. We have a few carts left. That's 2 boxes. In each box there's 2 carts. So there's only 4 carts there. I have a couple at home, in my stash at home. But that's it. And I have plenty of burner systems, but I do have another shipment coming in. So it's completed. It's supposed to have gone to the ship on the 25th, but I haven't heard yet whether the ship has set sail. Anyway, I just want to thank all you EZ-Wokers out there for the support, and I hope you're enjoying this tool. I mean, when I got a hold of this burner, this specific burner, oh, by the way, let me show you this. These are 2 of my original burners. These I've had, they're probably 30 years old now. 28, at least 28 years old. I've had these for at least 28. And these burners were great. These they put out a tremendous amount of heat, ring of fire. The problem is that when I found this one and sampled it, I spent 4 years working with this thing and discovered, wow, this is a no-brainer. I'm not going through the fuel like I was. And then in shooting my videos, the sound was a little bit quieter. By the way, when I asked them for a sample, they said minimum order 100 pieces. And I'm like, I just want to sample one. But minimum order, language barrier, blah, blah, blah. I ended up buying 100 burners. My kits, okay, I do 4 different kits, 2 complete and basic with the cart, and then 2 complete and basic without the cart. If you buy the cart with the kit, there's a little bit of a discount as far as the cost when you buy them together. I know my product's a little bit expensive, but I only bring in a small number of units at a time. Also, for me, safety is an issue. When I'm cooking with this high heat, I want to make sure at least I have 4 legs on the ground. Thanks for checking in. Thanks for your support. Thanks for being patient with me. I'm going to try to get some more video shots, some recipes. But in the meantime, keep walking on with whatever system you have, because doing this style of cooking outside is so much fun. It's a lot of fun. Okay, walk on.